Hey, what's up? I'm Deborah Kruger. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to be, for the very first time, cutting my own hair. We've been home in quarantine for 3 months. There's no chance in sight of getting a haircut, a hair trim. And the ends of my hair are just fraying and getting very straggly. Today's one of those days where you just wake up and you say, oh, I need a haircut. So I watched several YouTube channels on cutting hair, curly girl haircuts, and I found one that's very easy to follow. So I'm going to be following it. She's called Curly Tay. And it's a do-it-yourself, easy, curly hair trim. So we're gonna be watching her or listening to her at the same time as actually doing the cut. So wish me luck, fingers crossed. And she says that to start, you need a few ponytail holders and a pair of scissors, and that's it. So, without further ado, let's get into this.
So I'm going to start out with these scissors. I bought them off Amazon. I will link them in the description.
And I had scissors already.
On either side.
They're for hair.
Part it in the middle. And then I take the length.
Okay, part my hair in the middle, in the back.
Straight. Pretty loosely, but make sure
Take
I have
the length
my
and pull it straight.
my fingers. And then I cut however much length I want to take off.
Okay, we're gonna do that. I'm just gonna brush it out. No knots. I'm really, really nervous. I've never done this before, so hang tight. Okay, we're gonna pull it down. See that? Down. And then when we get to the bottom, I'm gonna lift it up. And I'm gonna cut straight across. Okay, we're cutting. We are gonna cut. Are we ready? Okay, we made the cut. and now, I'm just gonna make that even. Now she says, go into it to soften it so it doesn't look so blunt, chopping in just a little bit on the bottom, cutting inward. So I have to raise my finger up a little bit to do that. And I'm gonna cut into it. I did 3 of them. Let's be conservative. Okay, same on the other side. So we have to go to the other side. It's parted in the middle. Brush it. Get all the knots out. Pull it down. She says pull it down, but not too tight. Take the length. Pull it straight down. And then we're going to cut. I'm bringing my fingers all the way to the bottom and cutting above the top of my finger. So here we go. Wow, that went quickly. There it is. It's a cut. Wow, I think I took more off on that side. I did. Go back to this side. That's because I did it different on the other side. All right, already we're making mistakes. There we go. Now we have it. Okay, we took it off. Let's see if it's even. Oh, beginner's luck. Whew! I'm going to go back to both sides and chop into it. So. Oops. So, I'm a little nervous about this one. Chop, chop, chop. Other side. If this comes out, I will be shocked. Okay, let's see about this one. Let's go. Okay, we're doing it. 1, 2, 3. Okay, we did it. Looks pretty even. I'm going to lower this tripod rather than jumping up and down. There we go, that should do it. Okay. All right, that was step 1 according to Curly Tay. So the next step, let's see what she says. What have we got, Curly? What comes next? All right, we chopped into it. Okay, we did the other side. We did it.
It's really hard to mess it up. And we're done with the length.
All right.
Now, I'm going to brush out my hair. So
Okay.
I'm going to show you.
Let's
bristles
skip.
are very flexible, so it's not going to cause the break.
All right, we brushed it out.
My layers.
All right, I see what she's doing now. She's gonna do the unicorn cut,
I'm going to take one of the
which she says is all over YouTube. So that requires brushing all the hair forward and making a ponytail right in the front. So let me get going with that. Brush it all forward. And then once it's forward, we take it into a ponytail, and we use 3 ponytail holders. All right, so gather it up. Woo, I'm shaking. I just can't wait another month. My beauty parlor, the salon, was going to open on June 22nd, and when I was about to make my appointment, they sent out a text that said, nope, the Board of Health said you have to stay closed until you do certain things that are required, like putting up plexiglass between each chair. So who knows when I would be able to get a haircut. So you take it to the front. Let me make sure it's all brushed in there. I bet a lot of people are going to start doing their own hair, and then they won't need to go to the beauty parlor if it comes out okay. All right, so the first ponytail holder you put in right here, right in the front, so that you look like a unicorn. Okay, then she says we need another ponytail holder a few inches down. And we're doing that. And that's so that the hair stays nice and taut, and she slides it down a little bit. All right, one more goes at the bottom. And she cuts right above this elastic. So that sounds pretty easy. And it looked pretty easy. I watched it 3 times already. Okay, one more ought to do it. There's like no hair left to cut. Okay, so I'm gonna slide it down to the end. Whoops, it slid right off. Okay, this is in real time. I don't know how to edit yet. Let's do that again. Here we go. All right. Okay, now we can't slide it down too much because it'll slide off again. Okay, one more time. She did say you can cut it below the elastic, which might be better for me since my ends are so thin. Okay. All right, we're gonna cut right there. Maybe the problem is I need one more twist. Yeah, I think that's what's going on. I can't even. All right, I'm doing it one more time. Now that I understand, I need another twist, and I'm going to start it up higher. There we go. And one more ought to do us. Okay. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Okay. I think I might cut below. Nah, we'll do above. Okay. Are you ready? Wish me luck. To be continued.